Hello friends, so what I'm going to show you today that how you can build a game, how you can design or build a game without help of, without the knowledge of coding. See, want to build Pac-Man like game in Google Antigravity? Can you build Pac-Man style game in Google Antigravity, which is essentially a physics test environment where admin camera program you prompt it to be clearly. Okay, so Pac-Man or the ghost has appeared that the query which I have given before putting the photo or uploading the photo. So instantly you can see that antigravity make the right thing.